Hello and welcome to All Taste German. It's a cold and rainy day, so I thought it's a great idea to cook some German potato comfort soup. This soup warms the soul and heart on a cold day. Here are the steps how to make it. Peel the potatoes and the carrots and cut them into bite-sized pieces. I took the lazy road and just used pre-cut carrots. Then cube the onion. For this dish, I like the pieces to be a little bigger as the soup is more on the rustic side. Clean the leek and cut it into fine slices. Then rinse and drain it. Add butter to a large pot and fry the onions until translucent. Add the leek and fry briefly with the onions. Add the broth, potatoes, carrots, salt, pepper, nutmeg, marjoram and bay leaves and give it a good stir. Then simmer the soup on medium-high heat for about 20 minutes. In the meantime, you can slice the franks and chop the parsley finely. Add the parsley and the sausage slices to the pot and allow to sit on low heat for about 10 minutes. Serve the soup with a slice of fresh bread or a crusty roll. Guten Appetit!